The arms of the angel fly away from here, from this door.
Hey, you guys! Look who it is! This is my boyfriend, Sean. If you've been watching from the beginning, you've seen him one time. Probably heard his voice a couple times in the background. Welcome, Sean.
Thank you.
Today, we're gonna be doing a really hilarious and fun video that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, which is husband slash boyfriend does my makeup.
I'm excited.
He's very excited.
Well, I was thinking about it all day, and I was thinking that I could either go two ways. I could watch some of your videos and like refresh my memory on the steps. Mm-hmm. But then if I did that, then if I messed up, then I have no excuse. So I'm going in blind with the idea that like, man, this might not be great.
What an attitude, am I right? So I've laid out a bunch of options for Sean. He has options in each category. I will not be instructing him as to order or placement.
I don't know what
or
this is.
Selection. Good. Those will all be his choices. I'll help him with the narration as we go, so he doesn't have to worry about that as well. But all right, folks, I'm gonna put my hair up to give him a fresh canvas. All right, family and friends, let us begin.
First thing you
No,
want to
no, wait, hold on. Let me just say, don't intentionally do a bad job.
No, I'm not going to intentionally do a bad job.
Sean,
I'm not
do
going
a bad
to.
job.
I don't know why you think I'm going to.
Because you're going to start with highlighter.
No, I wasn't. I just picked it up.
Don't.
I wasn't gonna.
You're already going to be the clown in this.
I'm not trying to.
Don't be
you
even worse.
Tried to. You tried to think what I was doing with that highlighter in my hand.
I did try to think.
You thought wrong. I was just picking it up because
please try to do it.
Trying to do something.
Try to do a good job.
If you had listened to the next words out of my mouth, it was gonna be first thing you always do. You prime. That's the first thing you do. And since you don't wear foundation or concealer, no foundation, you gotta start with the old peepers, the old eye jams up there. So we're gonna look for, this is lip primer, that's last. Eye primer, Smashbox, 24-hour photo finish, base ombre a paupières.
I'm gonna cry through this whole thing.
Photo finish, shadow primer. All right, so we're just gonna take some eyeshadow primer. This is a good amount. This is a hefty amount. This is too much, apparently. So we're just gonna jam in on the old eyeballs. Here we go. Close your eyes.
Oh God! I need tissues. I'm so sorry. Just put it up.
Hold it right there, folks. All right, I'm gonna try and be as serious as I can because it's already going to be ridiculous. All right, just a little dab will do you. Okay, you're gonna. Okay, shush.
I need to get the giggles out of
Yeah.
here.
Let's get them out. Do you want to introduce Theo again?
Yeah.
He's at my leg.
This is Theo. He's our baby. He's our baby boy. He
Hi,
says,
baby.
"You guys, what is going on?"
Hi, buddy. Okay.
Okay.
Why don't you hold him and I'll
hold him.
I'll prime your lids. Shush. It's not that bad. It's clumpy.
It's always what you want with
There
an
we go.
eyeshadow primer.
Shh. There we go. Is that too hard or?
No, it's very good.
Okay.
You're very gentle.
Yeah, we're rubbing it on. You're gonna want to rub it in right until it's gone, like suntan lotion.
Yeah.
There we go. Rubbing your eyeball. It feels weird to rub your eyeball. Okay, so we've primed. Don't point. Don't forget to close the cap on your eyeshadow primer.
Important.
Very important, lest it dry out. First thing is, I gotta get the crease shade down.
Clapping, I'm telling you.
I know it's hard.
Okay.
And that is an eyeshadow shade. Oh, well, let's pick an eyeshadow palette, shall we? We've got Modern Renaissance. That's Anastasia, right? Yep. We got Dream Street, Kathleen Lights. What up, Kathleen?
And ColourPop.
And ColourPop, sorry. And we got Too Faced Just Peachy. I don't really remember Modern Renaissance, but Dream Street, I remember liking a lot of these shadows.
A lot of fun shades.
I like this one down here, this blue guy.
Mm-hmm. Mermaid Boy.
Mermaid Boy, it's backwards. But first we gotta start with the shade that is closest to your skin tone. We'll go with the lightest one. How about? I know that's not it. I don't even know what that's for. Maybe, like rouge or something? Like, do people still use rouge? Kind of.
Put the fan brush down.
Okay. Well, let's go. I want to go with... Oh, she gave me a hint. She put... She pushed the big brushes out of the way, which I don't think you're
He
technically...
was going for the fan brushes for eyeshadow.
I wasn't going for them. I just thought it looked interesting. So let's go with like a pink, like a light, this one, this guy here. So we're going to just dab it in, nice and swirl your brush. Maybe tap it off the excess. Remember that.
Careful, not on my pants.
Oh. Okay, crease shade. Go in it.
It's going to be a tough one.
Crease shade. Going in. Shush! Got some on your nose. Stop!
I'm so sorry. I can't help myself.
I don't know what to tell you. You gotta help yourself. Help me help you. Think of like an idyllic forest or something. Crease shade goes in the crease. Gotta lay a base down. I don't like this one. Let's try a softer one. This one looks good. I'm gonna swirl my brush. I'm just gonna go if you laugh. You wanna lay down the crease shade just to establish a base. I mean, you can speak to it, right?
Do you want me to speak to that?
No. I just want you to confirm that first you have to lay down a base.
You do first have to lay down a base.
All right,
That base
that's
is
all.
not often called the crease shade. Crease shade is something else.
Oh, okay. This is the base shade.
Do you like it when I raise my eyebrows?
Yeah, that's helpful. Keep doing that.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, so we did our base. Looks good.
Let's see. What does the base look like?
You're not supposed to look.
We're looking basey. I'm
Don't.
not looking.
She's tried to look.
I'm not looking.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay, so you got... Oh, you want a transition shade, which where does that go? That transitions between the base, crease. Let's go with this one. Going in with Stardust. I know Lauren well enough to know that I think this is the wrong choice, but I'm going to do it anyway. Close your eyeball. Here we go. Transitioning. Yep. I don't know about this anymore.
Now, what is that interesting technique that you're using?
It's called the back and forth.
Back and forth, okay. Take notes, everybody. The back and forth.
Like you're painting a house.
Just like you're painting a house.
All right. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. And then a lid shade. I know we need a lid shade, but I don't want to use this brush anymore. So let's use this brush.
Excellent choice.
I like the blues. I'm going to go with this shiny blue color. I liked it before. Maybe I'm not getting enough. But also I feel like a little goes a long way. I don't know. Oh yeah, there we go.
Getting it now.
There she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
Hey.
Well, she'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain.
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Uh-oh.
Oh, I was looking at the camera.
I know.
This is going well.
Are you serious? Guys, is he serious?
This is frustrating. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting it. Oopsie daisies.
We're cooking with gas.
Just gonna take a quick thumb. It's good. There we go. Now we're talking. I want to do a little bit of this.
What's
This is
that?
the Stila Magnificent Metals.
What color do we have
This
that
is
in?
the silver. The
Wow.
diamond dust. Just gonna do like a halo effect.
Whoa.
So I don't want to jab your eye, right? Like that's the wrong move.
You don't want to jab my eye, that's correct.
Yeah.
It's coming together.
Yeah, it's really starting to take shape. Kind of getting away from me a little bit. If I'm being honest. Oops. That's what you want to hear with like people who are doing things to your face or your body. Oops.
Oops.
Okay. Let's do some concealer. We're just gonna hit some red spots. There's a red spot here. We got some up here. I know we do like maybe on the chin. Maybe over here.
Those are the only spots you put concealer?
Oh, maybe definitely under the old eye bags.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, we gotta move quickly. We gotta blend. This is probably more than you have ever used. Not sure what's happening over here. Huh. That's good. Good. Tough work, this. Let's do some contour. Matchsticks. Fenty Beauty. Rihanna.
Yeah, her name is Rihanna. We all call her Rihanna, but it's Rihanna.
So this is...
Not Rihanna, Rihanna.
So this is Amber Matchstick. I'm just going to do a little bit of contour. Not on me, but just at the top of the cheekbone, kind of down the face. Just a stripe. All you got to do is keep blending, really.
Just
You
gotta
can't
keep
go
blending
wrong. Yeah.
when you blend.
Yeah. There you go. All right. So we got some contour.
Got some contour.
Let's do some blush.
Blush.
I think I want
Oh.
to go with this macaroon blush, K-Beauty. It's Skin.
It's Skin.
All right, I'm just gonna take my finger and swirl it and just kind of underline. I'm going a little deep with this one. Maybe a brush. Blend it out. As long as you blend.
As long as you blend, baby.
Time for my favorite part and your favorite part and your favorite part. Highlighter. This is the Revolution Strobe Highlighter.
Makeup Revolution.
Makeup Revolution in holographic lights. Now, you're gonna want to use some kind of brush.
Something.
Just swirl it right at the top there. There we go.
Very nice.
We're gonna do lips.
Lips. So you're is that just because it's the next thing you thought of, or are you like done with?
No, I mean it's time to lips are the last. I feel like I'm missing something.
He's done.
Maybe I'm not. I shouldn't be done. Can you give me a hint? Can we hint as to eyebrows? Eyebrows. That's the most important part.
Indeed. In fact, it's what I always begin with.
Okay, so we're gonna do ColourPop Brow Pencil in black and brown.
We got the goods, baby.
Here we go, brows. Okay, so what we're gonna want to do is we want.
Yeah, just imagine you're me. Just really like.
You want fluffy, natural,
Fluffy and natural.
feathered.
Feathered. That's a
brows.
key term when we're talking about my brows.
So we're gonna fill in just a little bit.
Sure.
Make them look a little fuller.
A little fuller.
And then we're gonna hike them on up.
Hike them up to the sky, baby. That's what I always say.
All right, brows.
How do they look?
They look great. You look fantastic.
Wow.
All right, now it's time for my favorite part, lipstick. We're gonna go with this first one that I picked up. It's called I Love Sarah 2 ColourPop Ultimate Matte Lip.
It's a collaboration between ColourPop and I Love Sarahi.
Oh.
And it's called Ariba. Fun fact, pretty much always the shade is on the bottom.
Well, you start with this information.
Yeah, sure.
And then you work your way down. Net weight 3.2 grams.
You gotta
0.11 ounces.
Yep.
Whoa. Wow, look at that. No, it's not bad so far. What are you supposed to do with that part? I feel like if I go more, it's just gonna make it worse. I'm gonna go up on the top, trace the lip, get in the middle there, do one of these.
Huh.
Are you not familiar with that technique?
Not.
You stick it in between the lips and then you jiggle them around.
Wiggle up and down.
It's called the wiggle.
The wiggle.
Oh, it's all over my fingers.
Well, that's your fault, isn't it?
Honestly, it's not gonna get better than that.
What do we think? What do we think?
Not for me, not today.
So Sean, is your masterpiece complete? Anything to add? Take away?
You do, if my takeaway is like, if I described over the telephone to a mortician that you had died and I had to tell them how you did your makeup and they tried to replicate it from my telephone description.
This would be it?
This would be it.
All right, let's take a look-see. Wow, we got some bold brows. The lips are good.
Yeah, right? Oh no, they're not good, huh?
There's just like a lot of fallout right here. And maybe, no, just right here. I love the highlighter. You know, it's not as bad as I thought.
Like the intention's there, right?
The intention's there, and I really like your color choices in the eye. I gravitate towards the same colors. And I love the glitter, the halo. I wouldn't have paired this lip with it, but, you know, go bold or go home, right?
That's what I always say.
We didn't set the face.
With what?
You know, a powder. We did set the concealer. That was one of my do's and don'ts.
Oh,
if you're going to
right.
put a wet product down, you really should set it with a dry product if you want it to last, you know?
You reacted very, very strongly when I applied the Tarte Shape Tape. What was that about? Did I just use too much? Did I have it right?
Way too much.
Oh, okay.
Like way too much. Actually, let's take a look at that, shall we? Yeah, it's a mortician is a very good way of putting it.
See?
I look like
A dead body.
a mortician tried to recreate like a glam look.
That's what I'm saying.
The other one is the one I could not stop laughing through. You switch the contour of the blush, darling. You're supposed to put the contour inside the cheekbone, like in the hollow of the cheek, to make it look like a shadow. But, you know, we did a flipperoo. But otherwise, honey, I'm so proud. I couldn't be more proud. How does everyone think Sean did, huh? Sound off in the comments below. Do you think he killed it in a good way or in a bad way? What do you think? I am so proud. I'm so impressed. You know, I wish you could have set a face. I wish you didn't miss a step, but... And the brows. How did you miss the brows? That's okay. Because you did a turquoise halo eye.
You live and you learn, you know?
You'll get it the next time, baby.
Get them out the next time. Tomorrow. I'll do your makeup for work.
Perfect. Okay, you guys, don't forget to subscribe below if you haven't already. Hit it. And follow me on Instagram at laurenmarienyc. I'll see you guys next week.